Hello students, this is chapter 4 in your book Movements and the chapter name is In the Kingdom of Fools. It is written by A.K. Ramanujan. First of all, we will discuss about the title of the story. This story written by A.K. Ramanujan is a Kannada folk tale. A folk tale is a story which is passed on from one generation to another. It is taken from the book Folk Tales from India written by A.K. Ramanujan. The title of the story is In the Kingdom of Fools, which means the state where people are not so wise, they are not intelligent. In the story, the king, his minister, and his advisors are fools. When this kind of people rule the kingdom, then what all happens has been told in this story. After that, we will discuss about the main characters of this story. There are 4 characters in this story: the guru, the disciple, the foolish king, and his minister. Now we will discuss in detail about the characters of this story. The guru, a very resourceful person with magical powers who becomes king through his wisdom. When he enters the kingdom of fools, he senses danger. He wants to leave the kingdom as soon as possible as he may be harmed. But his disciple does not agree with him and stay back. Later, the guru comes back and saves his disciple. In the process, he becomes the king himself. Second character is the disciple, a greedy and short-sighted person who remembers his guru in time of need. When he finds that cheap food is available in plenty, he decides to stay back in the kingdom and enjoy the food. He becomes a fat man and soon falls into trouble. He needed his guru's help to escape from the trouble. Finally, he manages to become the new minister of the kingdom. Third character is the foolish king. The king of the kingdom of fools is a foolish man. He orders people to work at night and sleep during day, but he manages to keep food prices low. He is not able to solve even a single crime. In an attempt to solve a crime, he ends up passing death sentence on himself. Fourth and the last character is the minister, the foolish advisor of the king who agrees with everything that the king proposes. So all this in this video, that is sufficient. Okay, thank you.